Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into Zoho Cliq's automatic translation feature. Zoho Cliq is an awesome team communication tool that helps you stay connected with your team, no matter where you are. But what happens when your team speaks multiple languages? That's where the automatic translation feature comes in handy. First, let's see how an admin can enable this feature for their entire team. As an admin, log into Zoho Cliq and go to the Admin panel. In the Admin panel, select Configurations from the sidebar menu. Then click on the Conversations and move to the Message Translation checkbox. Activate it. In the pop-up window, you can select the translation tool from Zoho or Google. Let's start with default Zia Translator. Click the Enable button, and that's it. You've successfully activated the translation feature for Zoho Cliq. Now you can enhance your communication and productivity, saving days of time. When an admin has enabled message translation for the organization, users will be able to select the translation mode, manual or automatic translation. Start by logging into Zoho Cliq and navigating to the Profile and Settings section. Under Settings, select Language and Translation. Here, you'll see an option for automatic translation or for manual translation by default. Plus, you can choose languages you do not want to be translated. Alternatively, if you have the ChatGPT OpenAI bot activated in Zoho Cliq, you can also use it for translations. This provides another powerful way to bridge language gaps in your team. If you want to learn how to activate the ChatGPT bot in Zoho Cliq, check out our detailed video in the description below. Automatic translation in Zoho Cliq, whether through the built-in feature or with the help of ChatGPT, makes it easier for teams with diverse language backgrounds to communicate effectively. No more language barriers, just seamless collaboration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please ask us in comments or contact our team by the contacts on the screen. Have a great AI.